And good morning, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. This is a serious one. It's a red alert. Our friend Rob Painless lost two of his daughters. The third one's in surgery. That's what I heard from West S. Please check out West S channel for updates. I'm just spreading the word. I've been praying like hell for the little ones to survive. The two eldest ones died. It was a three-car head-on. The car hit them in the rear, and the wrong way driver hit Rob's daughter head on at 85 miles an hour. I just can't stop crying right now because normally I seen death, and normally death don't faze me, but this is part of our prepper family, and this upsets the hell out of me. God, sorry. Of course, nobody ever watches my channel. Nobody ever listens to old Uncle Al. Just pray for Rob. Don't bug him. Don't go over his channel. Yeah, I mean, this happened right now, just a few minutes ago on West Coast. It's about maybe 2 hours difference where Rob in Texas and Lubbock. I just can't do any of my stunts or pranks or wear the top hat. This is serious. So, anyway, I'm sorry, kids. It just hits the hell out of me. First thing, wake up, look, and what do I see? I see this man's face. Okay, telling me that West, this is West S. Go check it out. His channel, informing me better. Telling me that Rob's two eldest daughters, kids I've been watching over the years, grow up, and the third one is seriously hurt, and it drives me nuts when I hear stuff like that. And he's a brother in our community, our prepper community. I don't like to say prepper, but he's part of our community, and it really gets me there. Excuse me. And when I hear the little ones in the hospital doing surgery, Uncle Al gets angry, mad. I didn't start this fight, and I will finish it. I don't know about the details, but please pray for Rob and Happy here. That's his wife's channel. Please pray for them. They just had a happy moment a few weeks ago out in the woods, and now this hits them. This is a SHTF kid's moment. Now, Clown's old fart, and he's used to this kind of crap. I've seen grown men die in front of me. I see civilians die in front of me. But this kind of gets me. Anyway, tell your friends. Wayne from West Wind Survival, please repeat this. Tell everybody you know. Pray for Rob Painless and his family. This is not a joke. This is not a stunt. Will, a patriot, modern refugee, AK Fab, please pray for Rob Painless and family. Okay, we prayed for you, Will, so send out the word. Everybody pray. Don't bother Rob because his family's, everybody, including West S, is heading over there. I would go there too, but I live in the boonies on the West Coast. And it'll take me 3 months to walk there. Now, anybody seen Will and Just in Time Prepping? Okay, somebody tell Will at Just in Time Prepping that Rob Painless just had a horrible, horrible family tragedy just a few minutes ago. Okay, and I'm going on email, on YouTube, and everything. Please send your prayers to Rob Painless and the family and all those victims in that 3-car accident. A lot of people got hurt. A lot of first responders freaked out. This is bad. How bad it is it? A lot of you guys never seen a head-on collision. I did. And the joke who was driving the other car came, hopped over the Moran, hopped over the Meridian, and clobbered the girls at 85 miles an hour. I'm a tough guy. I had 8 girlfriends drop dead. Okay, I used to kill people. I felt bad for them, but this really hits me right here. Okay, Palmetto prepared. Anthony, go spread the word. Pray for them and tell everybody you know in your circle. Tyler, let's talk about prepping. Tyler, stop goofing around and tell everybody in your circle what has happened. And check out West S channel for further updates. Cheryl Hirsch, you should get an email about this. Please pray for Rob's family and check West S channel out. Okay? And then we got 3 others. Oh, the other 2 I won't mention because they have no clue. I will mention Magnification of Imagination Reed's channel. Reed, he's a Texas boy. You better pray for Rob and his family. Don't bug him because this happens right now. Pray for them, Reed. Okay? It's an ugly, ugly tragedy. Sorry, kids. Nathan 4071, Jordan Jakenberg, Hubble's Cat, Andrew Hondo, Detroit Prepping. Detroit Prepping, I already told him this morning in his video. Winging It with Irish Colleen and Lori Jean. I'm covering everybody I know. Okay? Please pray for Rob, painless and happy here, and his surviving daughter. She's in surgery. Please pray for them, okay? Not kidding around. In LS Prep Fort, Wasteland Prepping, GM Survival, PAINLESS, Enoch. Biddy Boo already talked to Dana. She knows about it. Steve, of course, there's trainer. Have to say this really loud because Steve's a Marine. Rob Painless had a really bad family tragedy. 2 of his eldest daughters died tragically in a head-on collision. 3rd, the little one, is in surgery. So pray for him, Steve. Sorry about that, Steve, but I'm talking like to a Marine, so you know what I'm doing. And Angry Pirate News. Brother, this is one of your supporters, a fellow prepper and supporter of your channel. His family has suffered a great tragedy. Please pray for him. Don't bother Rob Painless. If you want to find out further information, go check out West S's channel. He's a fellow prepper. And if you want, all right, you can spread the word. All you guys that I showed your names, we spread the word about Rob's tragedy. It's an SHTF you never want to see or happen. So pray like you never prayed before. Prayed for all the victims in the accident. Just pray. And I do mean pray. I've been praying for last, I don't know, since I got the news, and it's really hitting me hard. Okay, kids, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. I'll catch you later. So anyway, pray. Don't bother Rob or Happy here. They're going to be indisposed. They have to bury 2 of their eldest daughters, and they're worried about the 3rd. Their local family around Lubbock is heading right there, full speed ahead. That's all I have to say. Catch you later, kids.